Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows Update with the error code 0x80070007 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So an error code 0x80070007 would generally signify that there are faults with the system resources or files needed by the update process. It may arise not only in the downloading phase, but also during the installations process or while finalizing the update. So this issue is related to low disk space, antivirus software interfering with the update, or system file corruptions, and the Windows Update as services. And then I'll show you numerous steps to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu. And then here we need to type this troubleshoot settings. And then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at troubleshoot settings, on right side, and then you need to select or tap this additional troubleshooters. And then here at additional troubleshooters, and then under at get up and running, and then you need now to select this Windows Update, and then you need to tap or click. And then you can see now this run the troubleshooters, and then you need to click. And then pop up this Windows Update detecting problems. So here we need to wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And then troubleshooting has completed the problems found. Check for Windows Update issues. And then next step, then you need to click this view detailed informations about these issues, and then click. And then here you can see now and view this troubleshooting report. Alright, so this Windows Update issues is one completed and the other one is still have problems. And then you need not to follow here the screen instructions on how to fix this error. Alright, and then you need to tap this next and then follow the screen instruction here. And then after here, then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to check the relevant services. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run command. And then once you open up here at run command, and then here at inbox, and then we need to type this services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc and then click OK. And then once you open up here at services and services local, but before to proceed, then those services we need to check if it is already running, then select restart. But if the service is not running, then modify properties settings. And the next step, then we need to find this background intelligent transfer service. So all you have to do is to select, and then you need to right click and then check if this service is already running or not. So since this services is not running, so all you have to do is to select this properties. And then here at general properties, startup type, and then you need to modify, click this arrow and select this automatic. And then here at service status, and then you need to click start and wait to complete the start process. And then after that, click apply and then click OK. And then next services that we need to modify, and then we need to find and locate this cryptographic services. So you need to scroll down, and then once you find already, so select and then right click and then check if this service is already running or not. So since this services is already running, so all you have to do is to select only restart and wait to complete the restart process. Alright, and then after that, and the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this Windows Update services. So you need to scroll down, and then we need to find that. And then once you find already this Windows Update services, so same procedures, all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if this services is already running or not. So since this services is already running, so all you have to do is to select this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and then once you complete those services here at service and service local, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to reset the Windows Update components. So all you have to do is to select on search menu, And then we need to type this CMD, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to select this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up at administrator command prompt, and then we need to type this command keyword, NATSH space wensack space reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH space wensack space reset and then press enter. And successfully reset the wensack catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So all you have to do is to close the CMD and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.